Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here working on a winter bucket list. And I just thought that this would be fun because I am feeling very much in the wintry spirit, and I just wanted to give some ideas for a winter bucket list. So this particular one is done in a bingo style spread. So I have the spread 5 by 5, so 5 boxes wide by 5 boxes deep, to create the classic bingo. I decided not to do it in a square though, just because I wanted to have a little bit of room to do all of the little doodles for each of the activities. So for this particular spread, I have it 8 boxes wide by 6 boxes tall, and that gave me enough room to do all the little doodles and have what that doodle represents. In this setup, I am using mostly Archer and Olive supplies. I am an Archer and Olive ambassador, and so if you would like, I have a link down below. They still have some Florida warehouse sales going on if you are watching this at the time of upload. If not, then definitely still check out my affiliate link to see what they have available. I am using the Archer and Olive gel pens, an Archer and Olive acrylograph, an Archer and Olive notebook. Outside of Archer and Olive products, and that washi tape on the right hand side is from an old release. I don't think that they have that available anymore, but I do love that maroon plaid. It is so pretty. And then the washi tape that's on the left hand side is washi tape from Amazon, which is linked in my Amazon storefront. And I am also using a Sakura fine liner. So I sourced most of these ideas from the internet. I just Googled a bunch of winter bucket list items, things that you want to do in winter, stuff like that. So I have from left to right, top to bottom, I have making hot cocoa from scratch, watching the Super Bowl, that's very much an American thing, make a snow angel, go sledding, get a spa treatment, read a book for hours. That one is my own, just because I thought it would be wonderful just to relax and read. Knit a beanie, watch hockey, make a fire, bake cookies, have a family photo shoot, host a game night, volunteer your time, work on a puzzle, work out at home. Again, that one is mine. Bake bread, make a playlist, snowball fight, take a hot bath, binge movies, pay for someone else's coffee, get a mani-pedi, have a New Year's kiss, eat a cinnamon roll, and the final one, again, my own, is start a new journal, because I thought that would be perfect for heading into the new year. Of course, starting a new bullet journal. So the idea behind this bucket list is, of course, it is a bingo style, so you want to try to get 5 in a row. But the way that I decided it would be fun to mark in the particular boxes so that you know if you've done it or not is to start with the outline of something and then fill it in. And once you fill it in, that is when you've completed the activity. I also give some examples a little bit later on if you want to draw a box around or do some other type of thing to mark in your winter bucket list. But I thought that the cute thing would be just to start out with all of the outlines and then continue by drawing it in or coloring it in with your gel pens, and then that is when you've completed that bucket list item. this spread is fairly self-explanatory, so I do want to talk to you a little bit about any ideas that you have for videos that you want from this channel. I did post a survey in the community tab. You can continue to fill out that survey. That would be extremely helpful. Or just put in the comments the types of videos that you're looking for, whether you're a newbie that's looking for some basic spread ideas, if you are someone that is going through a little bit of a planner rut and needs some inspiration, if you want to talk about how to combat going through a rut, then that's something that I can definitely talk about. I do have a video on that channel. And of course, I've already mentioned this and a lot of people have requested it. I will start doing Cricut and silhouette tutorials as well for people that are buying digital downloads, such as the ones in my shop, and want to make stickers of their own. So definitely let me know in the comments down below what types of videos that you're looking for, and that would be great. And now I'll just pass you off to real life Erin to go through this spread with you. Okay, so here are some winter bucket list ideas for you. So I am using some Archer and Olive gel pens, and I basically did just the outline of things because my thought process is that when I complete a bucket list item, I would start to color it in, similarly to how I did for that hot cocoa. But otherwise, they are left just as line work. And then if I did a puzzle yesterday, I could fill out the puzzle. If you don't want to fill them in, if you like the line drawings, don't want to waste ink, things like that, you could also put in just the date when you did that particular item. That way you can mark it off your list. Another option is just to add a little box around, kind of like this. That way you can see, oh, that one has been completed. So this is my winter bucket list. This is in a bingo card type mode. So you could try to do a blackout, of course, but you could also try to do different lines of the winter bucket list. So that is my idea. I hope that this idea inspires you. And please let me know in the comments or tag me on Instagram at Erin Floto Designs if you end up making your own winter bucket list so that I can see it. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.